this video, I'll talk about the rules of exponents. But before that, let's know about what is an exponent. So an exponent or power is a mathematical operation of repeated multiplication. So here in our example, we have b raised to the power of n. So b is our base and n is our power or the exponent. So in another example is 5 raised to the power of 3. So our 5 is the base and 3 is our power. So 5 raised to the power of 3 can be written as 5 times 5 times 5, which is also equal to 125. Okay, let's proceed to the rules. I have here 9 rules. So I will divide this video into 3 parts. So zero exponent rule. So any number excluding 0, hindi kasali yung 0, if you raise it to the power of 0, the answer will be always 1. So for example, 8 raised to 0 is equal to 1. 1000 raised to 0 is still equal to 1. Negative 47 raised to the power of 0 is still 1. And the variable m raised to the power of 0, answer is still 1. So that's the zero exponent rule. Second is the one exponent rule. So any number, this time including na si 0, if you raise it to 1, the answer will be the number itself. So x raised to the power of 1 will be x. So in our example, 300 raised to the power of 1 is still 300, and a raised to the power of 1 is still a. 10,000 raised to the power of 1 is 10,000. 26 raised to the power of a, 26a raised to the power of 1 is still 26a, so on and so forth. So that's one exponent rule. Our third rule is the product rule. So let's say we have a base x, then we have the exponent a and b. So x to the power of a multiplied by x raised to the power of b. All you have to do is you copy the base, which is x, then you add up the exponent a and b. So in our example, we have x cubed multiplied by x to the power of 4. So all you have to do is you copy the base, which is the x, then you add up the exponent 3 and 4. So the result will be x. 3 plus 4 is 7. So x raised to the power of 7. Another example is 2 raised to the power of 2 times 2 raised to the power of 4. So the answer will be, you copy the base 2, then you add up the exponent. So 2 raised to the power of 6, which is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 until 6. So it will become 64. The third example is x squared times x cubed times y raised to 4 times y raised to 5. So all you have to do is combine the same base. Then we have two base here, so the x and the y. So for the x, we have the exponent 2 and 3. So we combine that. So x raised to the power of 2 plus 3. And also for the y, so y, we have 4 and 5. So the answer will be x raised to the power of 5, which is 2 plus 3. Then multiplied to y is power of 4 plus 5, which is 9. So the answer will be x raised to the power of 5, y raised to the power of 9. Okay. Fourth example is 3y squared multiplied to 4y cubed. So all you have to do is first you multiply this one is called the coefficient. So you multiply the coefficient first. So 3 times 4 is equal to 12. Then you copy the base, then you add up the exponent. So copy the base, y, then 2 plus 3 is 5. That's why we have 12y raised to the power of 5. Okay, so that's the product rule. The fourth rule is the quotient rule. So if we have the same base, x, then we have the exponent a and b. So x raised to the power of a divided by x raised to the power of b. That will be equal to, you copy the base, then the exponent will be you subtract the exponent. So in the product rule, you add up the exponent. In the quotient rule, you subtract the exponent. So a minus b. So for example, x to the power of 7 divided by x to the power of 4. So the answer will be, you copy the base, then you subtract the exponent. So 7 minus 4, so the result will be x to the power of 3, or x cubed. Another one is 48y raised to the power of 5 divided by 6y squared. So all you have to do is you divide first the coefficient, which is 48 divided by 6, that's 8. Then y to the 5th power, you subtract, you copy the base y, then you subtract the exponent 5 minus 2. So the result will be 8y, 5 minus 2 is 3, so 8y cubed.